Hello everyone, this is Keshav. I know you are watching this video due to you want to clear your interview because you want to get job. I know without suggestion, without good advice, without good knowledge, you can't get job in any sector. Watch this video, then you will get lots of many questions, few questions about your interview. How to introduce yourself and viewers, interviewers ask this question, and what's your weakness, what's your strength, so many questions, and ask you into this. You will and give the interview very fantastic and without hesitations. So let's start videos without waste time. Introduce yourself. My name is Suraj Kumar. I'm Suraj Kumar. Place. I'm from Jodhpur. I put off Delhi. Next step. Education. I passed 12th class in 2015. College. I graduated in 2018. Next part. Family. My father's a confectioner. Option farmer, agent, officer. My mother's a housewife. Simplicity, housemaker, government teacher. Next question. What's your strength? Watch this. What's your strength? Sir, I'm a very hardworking person. I'm punctual and loyal towards my work. Okay, if an interviewer asks this question, how can you say that you are a hardworking person? You can say this question like this. Sir, because whatever task is assigned to me, I just get into it. I don't even see the time. Interviewer asks these questions again. How can you say you are punctual? Sir, because I always value the time. I understand that time once gone can never be regained. That's why I value the time. I'm punctual, boy. If interviewer asks this question again, how can you say you are loyal towards your work? Sir, because I always treat my company as my own. So, I work with honesty and dedication. That's why I'm a loyal toward my work. Okay, bad. Next question. What's your weakness? So many people, particular people ask this question. What's your weakness? So how will you reply this question? Watch this. What's your weakness? Sir, I can't say no if anyone asks for assist. I think that's my weakness. If interview put up a question on your answer, any other weakness? Sir, I think I'm a very emotional person. Next, ask questions by interviewer. How is being emotional a weakness? Sir, sometimes we need to be selfish too. Otherwise, we get into trouble. Okay, fourth question is the most important. Why do you wanna work in our company? This questions obviously ask this question and you reply like this. Next, fourth question. Why do you wanna work in our company? Sir, it's a growing company and we can say reputed company in India. As far as I've heard about this company, the work environment is amazing. People really feel proud of working here. I think it's a golden opportunity for me to work here and explore my potential. Okay, next question, fifth question. Why should hire you? This is obviously question. This is the question, and reply this. Fifth question. Why should we hire you? Sir, I'm sure I'll turn out to be key player of your company, and I assure you, you'll never regret for the decision to hire me. Next question. Where do you see yourself after 5 years? Obviously, we want to see after 5 years and high position. What is this? 6. Where to see yourself after 5 years? Sir, my short-term goal is to become a key player of the company, and my long-term goal is to be in a respectable position in the company. Next question, seventh question. Can you work under pressure? Yes, I can. Sometimes need to work under pressure. Seventh question. Can you work under pressure? Yes, I can. Sometimes we need to work under pressure as well, so that's not a problem for me at all. Next question, eighth. How did you celebrate your last birthday? This is the most important question. You have to learn this. Yeah, you have to learn sentences. Then you can reply like this. Eighth question. How did you celebrate your last birthday? Start. I invite all my friends and neighbors at home at about 7 o'clock in the evening. Few of my friends, few of my relatives were already present at home, and I received a lot of many gifts from my friends. My father gifted me a mobile. We had fun together. We had dinner together. We finished it off by 9 o'clock. Next question about your salary. Ninth question, this is the question most of the most you question. This interviewer ask the question immediately. Immediately mean this is question can be asked this question by interviewer. Listen, what's your salary expectation? How will you answer this question? Okay, listen. I'm telling you, sir, I can decide about salary as per the company norms. Freshers can say, but experienced candidates say, sir, I have got 25,000 salary last job, but I expect 30,000, 35,000 salary every month. You can say, experienced candidates say, or fresher, I have told you. Next question, this is my last question, 10th question. Interview will ask in the last end of the interview. And do you have any questions? You can say, don't hesitation. Without hesitation, you can say, sir, I'd like to know about job timing. Then you can reply this, you can answer like this, don't hesitation. And your question, and interviewer will tell you job timing, job profile, you know already, but job timing you have to know, you have to know about the job timing. You will succeed, you will take interview in your job profile. Which of job do you want? You can clarify, you can take, you can across your job, because this all are question will ask it why interviewer. That's why I told you, and man questions and no regular questions. Interview ask you last birthday, ask you any questions. That's so please, and you can learn this and properly. Don't take any scam. That's because direct speak English with interviewer. Don't hesitations, never hesitation in your life, because interviewer also boy, interviewer also and man, you are also humans, so don't hesitations, girls or boys, so many people's hesitations to have like if Corona and your interviewers girls, if you will, and as hesitations, how will you this? Girls boys separate, we are equal. Why are thinking motivate? First of all, take a motivate in your life. mind. I can clarify my interview in an and comprehensive. I will never certify without any interview, because I will certify, I will succeed, I will take interview in my job profiles. Guys, I have tried many times without practice, but when I study, that's a no. I failed many more time. I failed at least I think about 20 times. But when I started practice, when I made my strategies, I follow my strategies, then I started my work, and I can take an interview easily, and then I don't have any problems about this. But I want to, you will succeed, you will get job like me, because I like you, you can speak English like me. That's so I am expectation you will learn speak English, you will learn interview questions. I know you can speak English, but interview questions is separate. So please, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, then you will watch my videos about vocabularies. I will keep uploading videos about vocabularies, sentence, phrases. So thanks, good luck, break a leg, you will succeed. I hope you will succeed. Thanks, keep support me, keep you support yourself, you will succeed one day. Don't take any issues. Thanks, good luck. Icon on the interweb, never miss update from Camille Vlogging channel. Start a conversation with the vocabularies. Thanks for watching this video. Keep it watching. Good luck.